Hello, in this video, we will try to understand what props are in React. The following are the sections for this video. First, we will define props, and then we will be using props in a functional component. After that, we'll be passing an object instead, and then later on, we'll show how to destructure props. Props, also known as properties, are values passed into a component. These values are read-only. So now let's proceed with an example. For this code, I just run create React app. Then let's create a folder for components. And then we will add a file. Let's create membership please. .js. So here, let's just create a component. So cons membership please. Okay, then let's return a JSX, just maybe for now h2 membership tiers. Okay, after that, let's export this membership this export default. Okay, then let's go to our app.js. We'll clean this up, move this header, remove the styling, and then let's import membership list. So import membership list from current folder components / membership list. Okay, then just load the JSX, the component, and then let's run the application. Cd props npm start. Okay, clean this up. Okay, so now our application is showing the membership tier. Now we will enumerate the membership list. So now let's create another component, membership item.js. So const, let's create the structure first, membership item. So return, let's export first. Export default membership item. Okay, inside you want to add 2 items. So h3, we want to put here the membership name. So here we need to add the props. Then actually you can name that any way you want. So I just put props. So props that name, and then p props that description. Okay, so reachable code because this. Okay, so this is how we create component with props. So now let's try to use it. Let's go to membership list, then import membership item from current directory membership item. Then let's clean this, separate this to multiple line. So fragment, and then remove this first, another fragment, and then let's add here membership item. So name equals silver, and then description equals customer accumulating $100 spent, enjoy 2% discount. Okay, save. Let's close this first. Okay, then let's add the other membership. So paste this one here. Then let's add another one, which is the platinum. Okay, save. So now we have successfully called a component with props in it, and then we pass the value inside. So we created the component once, and then we consume it 3 times to pass different values. Now let's create another membership item. This time we'll call it membership item B. We'll have an input of object this time. So right click, file, membership item B, JS, fonts, membership item B, passing props, goes to return so let's return h3. So this time it will be props dot membership dot name, and this one will be props dot membership dot description. Okay, and let's proceed with the export default membership item B. Okay, so back to membership list. So this time here we will create a constant membership info. So we can add here some details like the name, the amount, then description. So So we'll just copy paste the text. Customer accumulating 5,000 spent, enjoy 15% discount. And then let's call import. Let's import first. Import membership item B from membership item B. Just correct the spelling. Okay. Now let's add here. Call the component membership item B. So instead of passing the name and description, we will just pass the object membership equals membership info. Okay, now you can see diamond was added into our UI. So here I have an example wherein we pass the props and also we pass an object. Okay, one alternate approach to get the data is to use object destructuring first. So instead of props, we'll be putting here the name and description instead. So here we can remove the props. Also the same here. Okay, so we need the curly braces. Also, we can use it here. So instead of props, we use membership. Then we can remove the props also. So make this look cleaner. So we can save and the result should be the same. So to summarize, we use props to pass value into our components. This makes our components more flexible. We can pass in variables or even objects to components. We can use object destructuring to make our code cleaner. That's all for this video. Please hit like to help me reach out to more people. Subscribe and click notify icon to get my latest update. Comment below for questions and topic you would like to be discussed. Thank you and good day.